That the cost of manufacturing is going up and the disposable income is also coming down or is getting a bit strained, then you have to create a balance that how much can I pass over to the consumer. So what we are doing in this kind of scenario is to try to look at very efficient processes such that we improve efficiency in our processes. We are also investing in machines which are more efficient than what we have now. For instance, we look at our machines, the old machines which could now be replaced. We are replacing it, which is also very expensive because when you are replacing the machines, we have the foreign exchange value that has gone up. But mostly is getting the efficiency, getting the highest efficiency that you can derive from your operations. So streamlining operations.